All right, I'm just putting my Pillsbury graham biscuits in my 350 oil so that we can cook them up super quick and get them brown and golden and crispy. All right, it's time to flip these babies. Oh, look how beautiful those look. Oh my goodness. I am so excited for this super easy, kind of fair inspired dessert. All right, and once they're golden brown like so, we're gonna go ahead and put them on our paper towel lined plate so that that paper towel can soak up that grease. And then we are gonna put them to the side to let them cool. While these are cooling down, I'm gonna grab a medium bowl, and inside our medium bowl, I'm gonna add my banana cream instant pudding. And this is the family size. We're gonna use that whole entire box. You can use whatever flavor pudding you prefer. And inside our pudding, we're gonna add our cold whole milk. I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups. I'm just eyeballing it. You guys can measure if you like. I prefer not to. And we're just gonna quickly whisk those together so that we can get our pudding nice and disintegrated into that milk, and it makes a thick kind of custard for ourselves. Ooh, that banana cream smells absolutely delicious, and look how quickly that thickened up for us. That's how easy this is. We like to add a little bit less milk than what it says on the box so that I can get thick quick. All right, and that looks absolutely delicious. We don't need our whisk anymore because we're gonna bring in our thawed Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and we're just going to fold this into our pudding mixture. We use all of that Cool Whip. You can make a homemade whipped topping if you prefer, but I wanted this to be super easy, and I personally love Cool Whip. I know that it's not the best for you, but it tastes so good. I will never stop using it. All right, and we're just folding in that Cool Whip into the pudding because we don't want our Cool Whip to flatten, so we have to fold it in. No whisking, just the spatula. So let's make sure we get that nice and folded in. Okay, that looks absolutely delicious. We're gonna put that to the side now with our biscuits, and I have here some bananas, and we're probably only gonna need 1 banana, but we're gonna open this baby up super quick. And then my favorite tip for cutting a banana super quick is using your bread kneader, and it's just gonna dice up our bananas into coins super fast.
That's really fast.
Yep. Perfect. And now that we have those diced, we can grab our biscuits. All right, these have cooled enough. Go ahead and place them on our cutting board. Grab my serrated knife, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these right in half. You'll be able to see that beautifully cooked inside. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. So let's go ahead and do that for all of our biscuits. Oh my goodness, they look so good. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, just what we want. Now, if you want these to be a little bit healthier, you can bake them, but I think frying them just makes them taste like summer. I'm just gonna finish off that last biscuit.
It makes them nice and crunchy.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna grab our little banana cream custard, and we're gonna add a ice cream size scoop of our custard right on top of our fried biscuit dough. When we fry the biscuit dough, it kind of makes it taste like a donut, which is my favorite part. Oh, now you guys know we sliced up those bananas, and I'm gonna add about like 3 little bananas right on top, and then we'll kind of press down that cream, just like that. So yummy, so delicious. Now, if you did like a chocolate pudding, you could do some chocolate chips. If you did a vanilla pudding, you could do some strawberries. This is super customizable and so fun. Kids love it. Grandparents love it. Honestly, everyone loves it. Banana cream deliciousness. And we're almost done here. Go ahead and put that last banana on there. We're gonna top these off just like this. And then we have one finishing touch that I think is really going to make them delicious. And that's some powdered sugar. So we're just gonna do a nice little Sprinkle of powdered sugar on each of these. Be generous. Perfect. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Moment of truth. Time to try our banana cream donut sandwiches. Tastes like heaven. You guys gotta try it.